Hello, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. I've got this Porsche Cayenne diesel. And today I have removed all the injectors out because they were leaking. All the injectors out from this one here, bank 1 and bank 2, because the injector were leaking pretty bad, causing a lot of oil coming out, a lot of the fuel and soot to come out from the pressure. It's all black on the side here. As you can see, all black on that side there, especially on this side here, bank 2. Bank 1, I took it off. If you do bank 1, or if you want to do one side, you got to do the other side as well, because they're really bad. So everything's removed out, all the pipes, injectors removed. I'll show you on this one here. Here they are. Here's the injectors. That's bank 2, bank 1. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's have a look at the injector seal. So the rubber seal always goes on the top one. Some people put it here, but it's not, it's on the top one. That's a rubber seal. Make sure you have the rubber seal as well. If you replace that rubber seal, it sits on this side here. So if you got slots, you got 1, 2, 3. The third slot, that's where the rubber seal goes. Count it from the bottom, or you count from top. The second one, big one, and the first one. Alright, that one there's for your lock. Alright, let's have a look at the seal. Look how bad they are. Look at this one here. There's nothing left. See? It's worn out so bad that it's really bad. Nothing left to seal the injector. And I'll show you how a good one looks like. That's a brand new one. See the brand new one? That's a brand new one. That's how they're supposed to look. Look at this one. There's nothing left there. Comparing, let's have a look at that one there. Look at the difference there. Massive difference. So I've got six of those, and 6 O-rings, and 6 copper washer. And if you're replacing the injectors, the seals, make sure you put new ones on these. And new bolts. You must replace the bolts. That must be replaced. You can't reuse these ones because they stretch. Alright, so now I'm going to clean all the injectors down properly, and then put the new seal, new copper seal, and new rubber seal, and then we'll go from there. Alright? Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.